All right, so I am back today with another gifted product, and today I have this travel nail drill. So everything that you need is inside this box. So you have a cute little nail drill. It does, and this one has 5 different inserts, and of course each of them are used for different ways for the nails, and then it does come with one extra. And this would be amazing if you're doing like gel nails, just to kind of get that final pieces off. And then you have the charging base. So you can use this 2 different ways. You can use this 2 different ways. You can charge it on here and just keep this plugged. It does come with a charging port, but it does not come with the little box. So with that being said, you can also plug it directly into here and then just use it from the wall if you do choose to do that. And then it also has the little holders there as well. So it comes with, the way that it works, you hold down that power button, and it's 3 different levels. So you have low, medium, and high, and then this little button right here is reverse. So pretty cool. And it does, I like the lower level. The only time that I would be using that higher level is if I was trying to remove something after like soaking. But this one right here, it's like a little, almost like a cotton ball, but it's more of like a buffer. Now, I have, on my nails, I have gel. So, but yes, you just run it across. This is perfect to take with you if you are going traveling. It's something nice to have, especially traveling on the road or traveling just in the air and you need a quick fix. So you have everything that you do need in here, and it just fits so compact, and it has this cute little carrying case with it. So I do hope that this does help, and you have yourself a wonderful day.